Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Ice and Share channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix search bar is not working in Windows 10. Method 1. Check for Windows Update. Go to Windows Start menu and click Settings. Then choose Update and Security. Click Windows Update. Hit the Check for Updates button and wait for the results. Method to run the search and indexing troubleshooter. Open the Settings app on your computer, and then select Update and Security. Hit Troubleshoot option on the left panel. Now click the Additional Troubleshooters option. OK, click the Search and Indexing option, and hit Run the Troubleshooter option. After that, the troubleshooter will run and detect problems in your computer. You can follow the instructions to fix the issue. Method 3. Modify Windows Search Service. Open the Run dialog box and enter services.msc. On the Services window, go to Find Windows Search Service. Double-click and change its startup type to automatic. After that, apply the change. Method for Rebuild Indexing Services. Open Control Panel, then change to View Settings by large icons. Click the Indexing options. In the pop-up window, click Advanced. In the Troubleshooting section, click the Rebuild button. Hit OK to rebuild index. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye.